this is fantastic. It's not often I'm lost for words, and I just said we're breaking the rules again. Cadoxton Primary School, there's 2 of us on the stage, but I do feel it's Natasha Cockram who has to hold this award on behalf of our school. Well-being is what it's all about, and it's been said here today many times, but if we haven't got the well-being of our children and our parents and staff right, then how can we do learning and teaching? We work really hard in Cadoxton, but Natasha Cockram is the face for so many of our children and our parents first thing in the morning, and I just take my hat off to her. We've got some visitors coming from, well, they're arriving from Italy into Cadoxton as we speak, and Natasha has probably got the cowl on the boil at home even now so that we can do a big welcome even to them. Nothing is too much trouble. Every child is important, every family is important, and it's such a privilege to be head teacher of a school where we can make all of this happen. So diolch yn fawr iawn pawb. Natasha Cockram, amazing. Diolch.
Diolch.